Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in Fewer Than Two. Apple makes magic products. You know that because they put magic in the title of some of their products, like the Magic Mouse, which I can't escape. I mean, I could use a non-magic mouse, and I've tried all the viable for me non-magic mouse products out there, but I keep coming back to the Magic Mouse. Do you have a recommendation for a non-magic mouse? Because barring that, I gotta stick with the Magic Mouse. As far as Mac OS is concerned, it's been the best mouse I've used. I wouldn't go as far as to say magical, because again, whether it's the new one or the old one, it still uses the engineering head wound. Can't use it while charging with a lightning cable. Yeah, so that didn't change between these two devices. So you might wonder, well, did you upgrade for the color? No, because it still matches, or at least the top matches the mouse pad. The new version of the mouse, sorry, the Magic Mouse, does not have the darker metal option, which I feel is kind of strike two for the product, at least as far as the design is concerned. But these, what would you call these lines that help the mouse glide over the mouse pad? They weren't gripping, and they weren't necessarily gliding easily, but every time I would move the mouse on that mouse pad, I would hear it. I'd hear it move, and can you hear that? And that kind of annoyed me. So I read a few people saying that these parallel lines on the bottom of the new Magic Mouse actually were of a different material, potentially making it better in terms of gliding. And I found, by and large, can you hear that? It's there, the friction's there, obviously, but it's a softer sound, so it feels like it glides easier. I'm happy that I upgraded, but again, I'm looking for recommendations. Get me out of the magic, people!